Good afternoon, all the participants. My topic, which I have chosen under the given option, is understanding entrepreneurship against new realities. You all know that the situations keep on changing. Many a times it happens that the entrepreneurs or the businessman, they start the business with some objective in their mind, and they consider certain situations. They assume that government rules and regulations will be like this, environmental conditions will be so and so, a demand from customers will be so and so. So assuming lot many things, a businessman starts a business. But what happens that while starting the business, the situations are different. But as he moves on, the conditions, the environmental conditions, geographical conditions, taste of the consumers, government rules and regulations, competitions from international world, it keeps on changing. And accordingly, every businessman, entrepreneur, he or she needs to bring necessary changes in his or her ideas in business. But friends, it's not that so easy. It's not that the moment geographical conditions change, you are going to immediately bring changes in your business. So that's why today we are going to study how you should be we should remain flexible, what things you should consider before starting the business. So I will start with what is entrepreneurship. So the idea of entrepreneurship, idea of changing, idea of bringing necessary changes in your business, it is already there in the entrepreneurship. Its definition is, it is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. So see here the word uncertainty. It is very important because an entrepreneur, a businessman, he should enter the business with this mindset that there are going to be uncertainties. Now you all know that because of this ongoing pandemic, all businessmen, they are suffering tremendously. So many businessmen, they have suffered huge losses. And even you must have heard that many business units, many industries, they are even being closed, shut down because of pandemic. Now why these industries or small shops, they were unable to survive before this pandemic? Because they were not prepared. They did not bring necessary changes in their business so that they can remain adaptable to the changing situation. And see, in future also, these kinds of pandemics, nuclear wars, these situations, they are going to come. Biological weapons will be utilized by one or the other countries. Many a times we may have to face situation of wars in future. So for every kind of situation, an entrepreneur should be ready. Second definition says an entrepreneur is an individual who, rather than working as an employee, finds and runs a small business, assuming all the risk and rewards of the venture. So this is again a risk is a word here. So a businessman has to take the risk. What risk he needs to take? He has to take the risk of changing. Many a times he needs to make necessary changes in raw materials, in manufacturing processes, in maybe marketing strategies, maybe in packaging, maybe the type of employees with which he is working,